Hello guys, so as you can see, I have done my eyeshadow already. I will be creating a look which is inspired by Mrunal Panchal. Not as good as her, but I have tried. First, with the Kajal pencil, I will make an outline. Now, I shall apply my concealer on whole patch. I will apply Vaseline lip balm so that the color does not come on my lips. I will be using Morphe James Charles palette for this look. I will apply blue color on the mid portion. If you want a tutorial for this eyeshadow, comment below. On my right side, I'll be applying yellow color. Leftover part will apply orange color. Left side, I will apply purple color. I have applied pearls on my outline to give it an amazing look with my black lipstick.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of the videos. Also, whatever products I have used up till now are in my description box. Do watch it.